You like fish? Ito na, ito na fish mo. Hey, good boy. You like this fish? Like it so much? Ang arte mo? Papasubo ko pa eh. Ayun, kanya man ito lahat. Sarap? You like it, Bachol? Nandahan. Ati kay Mati Tinek. Oh. Spit. Nahulog?
Wow.
Ah. Wala na. Janice. That's not a fish. That's eggplant. Good boy. We ran out of fish na. That's garlic. Oh, stop it. Wala na. Chol. Good boy.